The topic for discussion is lead accumulator cell. Lead accumulator cell is commonly called car battery. It is a secondary electrochemical cell and it consists of metallic lead as the anode and lead 4 oxide as the cathode, while the electrolyte solution is H2SO4 acid. A porous plate partitions the cell into two compartments. Lead accumulator cell undergoes two processes, which are 1. The process of discharging current, and 2. The process of recharging the cell. I want to talk on the process of discharging current. The process of discharging current is an electrochemical cell process that produces current when the two electrodes are connected to external circuit. What happens at the anode of the cell during discharging of current? The metallic lead, which serves as the anode, loses electron and is oxidized to lead 2 ion. The lead 2 ion goes into solution and reacts with some tetraoxosulfate 6 ion of the electrolyte solution to form lead 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 solid, which is deposited on the anode. The half-cell reaction equation at the anode. On the tutorial board is the half-cell equation at the anode. The lead solid loses 2 electrons to give lead ion. What happens at the cathode of the cell during discharging of current? Lead 4 oxide, which serves as the cathode, gains electron from the anode and is reduced to lead 2 ion. The lead 2 ion goes into solution and reacts with some tetraoxosulfate 6 ion of the electrolyte solution to form lead 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 solid, which is deposited on the cathode. Now what happened? Let's look at the half-cell reaction at the cathode. The lead 4 oxide, that is the lead 4 ion, gaining 2 electrons to give us lead 2 ion. During the discharging of current, lead 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 solid is deposited on the cathode and on the anode, and this prevents the cell from discharging current and thus the need for the cell to be recharged. Now I want to talk on the process of recharging the cell. The process of recharging the cell is an electrolytic process which involves the use of electric current. Recharging of the cell is the reverse process that occurs during the discharging of current. It is important to note that the cathode in the recharging of the cell is the anode in the electrochemical cell process that occurs during the discharging of current, while the anode is the cathode. What happens at the cathode of the cell during recharging of the cell? The lead 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 solid that is deposited on the anode during discharging of current gains electron from the anode and forms solid lead and tetraoxosulfate 6 ion. The tetraoxosulfate 6 ion reacts with some hydrogen ion in the electrolyte solution to form H2SO4 acid, while the solid lead is deposited on the anode. The half-cell reaction equation at the cathode during the process of recharging the cell. On the tutorial board is the half-cell equation. The lead 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 solid gaining 2 electrons to give us solid lead and tetraoxosulfate 6 ion. Now what happened at the anode during recharging of the cell? The lead 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 solid, which is deposited on the cathode during discharging of current, loses electron to form lead 4 ion and tetraoxosulfate 6 ion. The tetraoxosulfate 6 ion reacts with some hydrogen ion in the electrolyte solution to form H2SO4 acid, while the lead 4 ion reacts with water to give lead 4 oxide and hydrogen ion. The hydrogen ion reacts with some tetrahydrosulfate 6 ion in the electrolyte solution to form H2SO4 acid, while the lead 4 oxide is deposited on the cathode as solid, and the cell starts to generate current again. Now we look at the half cell reaction at the anode. The lead 2 tetrahydrosulfate 6 solid losing 2 electrons to give lead 4 ion plus tetrahydrosulfate 6 ion. Thank you.